In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Pinlock anti-fog shield for the Sena Momentum helmet. One thing that drives me absolutely nuts about a full face helmet is trying to keep the visor from fogging up, especially on chilly mornings when you're heading out to work. When you start out with your ride, the visor fogs up right away. Every stop sign and stoplight, the visor's fogging up. So you're constantly having to lift it up and close it when you take off again and adjust it all the time so you can actually see what's going on. And the only time it really seems to stay clear is when you're moving. And I just think not having to hassle with that would be safer. You can see what's going on and really focus on your ride. So I'm hoping that the anti-fog shield does what it's supposed to do. These guys have been around for a long time, so I believe that they know their stuff. Let's go ahead and get the package open first of all, and we'll kind of get an idea what this thing looks like. Alright, so the packaging is, kind of simple. It just gives you the information about the face shield on the front here, and then on the inside of the packaging you've got instructions on how to install it. So there's not a whole lot to it, just basically a piece of plastic here. There's a silicone edge around here that's going to create the kind of double lens seal, and that's part of the secret to eliminating the fog. The other part is the material that this is made out of is a moisture absorbing material, and I have no idea how that works because it's plastic, but somehow it's able to absorb moisture, and then that seal there is going to block the moisture from coming between your anti-fog shield and your visor. So that's pretty cool. So the first step is to remove your visor from your Sena Momentum helmet, and that is done by simply pushing forward on this lever right here. Visor pops right off, just that easy. You can easily see how the Pinlock anti-fog shield fits onto the visor. It's got this notch cut out right here, and then on the actual visor it's got a notch right here. And you want to put the silicone edge towards the inside of your visor. What you want to do is, I've seen this done on videos, but I haven't done it myself. You want to actually go ahead and bend your visor out like this. Be careful so you don't get fingerprints in between your visor and your anti-fog shield. And then you're just going to insert these indents right into the studs on your visor. Get it into place, and then just let your visor come back into its natural form. Now you just kind of want to check to make sure that you've got a good seal between your visor and your anti-fog shield. So just kind of visually inspect it a little bit. Once you get it in place, you can remove the film from your anti-fog shield, and this is clear so you can see right through it, no problem. So now let's do a fog test. I'm just going to breathe on it and we'll see how it goes. You can see, hopefully, it is fogged up around the anti-fog shield, but nothing in your vision area. It really seems to be working quite nicely. So that is very easy. Let's get it installed back on the helmet. So there you go. That's a first look at the Pinlock anti-fog shield, how to install it on your Sena Momentum helmet, and you should be all set and good to go. And for more information on the Pinlock anti-fog shield, you can check out pinlock.com. I'll have links in the description down below for that, as well as the Sena Momentum helmet. If you want to see more videos about the Sena Momentum Lite, which is what I own right here, you can subscribe and ring that bell notification icon, because I will be doing several videos about this helmet over this riding season. So that is it. Thank you guys very, very much. Stay safe out there as always. We will catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a share with your friends. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. And we'll see you in the next video from Touring Midwest.